Today we shall discuss chapter 1 number system English medium in class 9. Types of numbers. Here are the different types of numbers. N is natural numbers, W is whole numbers, Z is integers, Q is rational numbers, Q dash is irrational numbers. What is the symbol of natural number? N is the symbol of natural number and the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. What is the symbol of whole number? Whole number is denoted by W and they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. What is the symbol of integer? Z is the symbol of integer and the integers are 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, etc. What is the symbol of rational number? Q is the symbol of rational number and it is denoted by P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. What are the irrational number? Irrational number cannot be expressed in P by Q. We have seen that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. Positive numbers are plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Negative numbers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Whole numbers are 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Integers are 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, etc. In short, we can write whole numbers equal to 0 plus natural numbers, integers equal to negative numbers plus 0 plus positive numbers, real numbers equal to rational numbers plus irrational numbers. A rational number is expressed in P by Q where P and Q are integers. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.